Okay, so the video I just posted said that it's not eligible for the For You page because low quality. My guess is because the window right here was like behind me and making, you know, it all bad quality. So we're gonna retry. Wasn't a great one. Yeah, I guess that's what I got for today. My last burping video kind of, I don't want to say blew up, but like for someone who only had like 300 followers, it blew up. So I'm going to post another one. One more for good measure. That didn't feel right. One more. That was better. My days have been good. If you're a subscriber, you know, I just posted a video for you all too saying I'm sorry that I've been MIA, but I teach, so this first week of school had me super busy. Thank you for all. Okay, real question. Can you all see the hearts when I double tap, or is that just me adding to the likes? Pua. Okay, so Anime is Epic says he can see it. Thank you for answering me. Okay. Ooh, okay. I don't think I can rock a hat like that, but thank you. Thank you for the roses and that cute heart me thing. Appreciate it. I also don't record my burping videos at home unless I'm home alone. So that's why I have been lagging on the customs. I'm sorry. Below a burp. Okay. Heart puff. Thank you. That's cute. Ooh, that one was left over. Thank you for liking the live. Appreciate it. It means a lot. Okay, so when I'm double tapping up on my screen, I see a heart and like a bar that keeps growing. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to Google it. Burp and then blow it in the candle. I don't have any candles available. This is not my home. I don't want to light one of their candles. I'm sorry. One day burping contest. I don't know. I get so many requests for burping contests that it's almost like if I do it for one person, then I'm going to have to do it for every person. But maybe we could like, everyone who wants to can just comment on a video and I'll put their name into like a random, like, you know, draw. And then maybe we can do it that way. All right, closed mouth burp. You're saying blow a burp away, and I already did, but I'll do it again. Like, I guess that's what that means. I don't know. I was trying the entire alphabet earlier, and I could only get to T. So I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'll try the entire alphabet, but no promises.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Oh, I got to N.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
I got to S that time. I don't know. It's give or take. It's a random day. I don't choose. The gods have spoken. I don't know. Yeah, it's not easy to get it all in like one. I could like get part of it and then burp again and do the rest of it, I guess.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Oh, W.
X, Y, Z.
Up close inhale, sure. Ooh, a paper crane. Cute. Finger hearts. Appreciate it. Anime's Epic became the new gift title gifter of the finger heart. I feel like that's their thing, is the finger hearts. I can only be on here for a couple more minutes. I'm really sorry. I'm just checking on some dogs. But I will keep going for a little longer. So any requests, throw them this way. If you are not a subscriber, you obviously can't comment and make a request. But I do post subscriber-only videos. That's another perk. And subscribers are the only ones with the privilege of asking for a custom. Okay, I'm out of breath from that one. Hold on. Up close inhales. Okay. So yeah, I think if I do the little like bop, bop, bop burps, I can do the whole ABCs. It's getting them in one long burp that is difficult. Thank you, Anime is Epic. You are the title gifter. Allie, I saw you join in. I'm sorry you can't comment unless you subscribe to me, but I see you. All right, we got 2 more minutes here, folks. Baby burps in a row, but swallowing is technic. I don't know what that means, but thank you. Can you do up close gulps now? Thank you. The perfume is cute. Thank you for the roses. All right, we got 1 minute. Should I just like let it all out? Ooh, thank you, Garth Smooks, for the glitter.
They're not glitter, but fireworks.
Oh, thank you. Okay, my last few I'm gonna do standing, okay? And then I'm outie. Okay, I'm sorry that's all I have time for now, but I love you. Thank you for being here. I'm sorry if it gets kind of loud outside. There's a bunch of film crew and like movie trailer truck things. They're filming something next door. But in my one of my more recent videos, I asked y'all to guess what the city view was behind me, and none of you got it right. So I'll do a few burps for you, and then at the end I will burp the name of the city. One of the crew members just looked at me so weird.
The city was thunder.
Woo! I almost ran out of breath. I'm trying to burp a little quiet because there's a bunch of people down at the beach. That's all for now. Yes, I can always burp on command, and I've always been able to since I was like 7. I can do little ones. And I can do fuck. I can do like the boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Okay, we'll count that as 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. Oh, I was gonna say there's 5 in that burp. Okay, sorry. Go.